Contractor. Where is he now? Take oil, take oil. Where is take oil? Take oil, take oil. Where's the manager? Contracts and trading.
How many kilometers are on?
We have done 100% of the base, but that's the outright filling and stopping. Yeah, we have done it up to Takushara. And presently now we're in the convent, we have done 60% of it. Right now we are doing the binder, and by the grace of God next week, we'll be done with the binder and we'll start the well immediately. And we are going to meet up the target of the completion of the job, which is the 14th of May 2025.
But artwork going on there.
Smile on the faces of the residents of the place. What is the scope of this work, and how many kilometers will be this work, and will there be street light at the end of the distance?
Yes. Did you include solar light?
Yes,
okay.
Within communities.
Within the communities. Okay, so there will be solar lights. Like you know, we've been to Keti. Now, this leads to Kabusa to Takushara. Like the emphasis Mr. President has always made, we should not only concentrate in the cities. We should take development to the satellite town. You can see how happy the residents were in Ketchup in particular, and the heavily populated area. And you also understand, if you go to Takushara, how happy they will be. I want to commend the chairman of AMAC, who drew our attention to these two very important roads. But for him, probably we would not have, taken our attention to this place. I'm happy with what the contractors are doing. Hopefully, by the end of May, these two roads will be inaugurated as part of the second year anniversary of this president. So we're very happy with what we've seen.
Okay, Excellency, sir, we have seen the commitment shown by this administration in terms of opening the city and also developing the satellite town. How would this, what impact would this have to rural urban migration?
Well, like you said, this is not AMAC. With this road being done, you would not need to say, let me go and stay in the city. From here to the city is down to 10 minutes. And that's what road network brings. It will open up the entire place. You will see people who would like to come and build houses here. And then instead of staying in the city that appears to be more expensive, I'm sure to most of you now will be looking at how you can have a plot of land in these areas and develop, and so that you will stop paying rent in the cities. So this road will open up the two communities and will open up the economy of the place. I remember that we came here to flag on this road. I can really see the school there, and we promised them to build schools, which I've seen on my table and were approved, waiting for the passage of the 2025 statutory budget for us to commence. So I think we're happy, and I know the people are happy.
Okay, Chinese.
All right, Your Excellency, speaking on road infrastructure, there's an area in the FCT, the Federal Housing Authority, that residents have sort of lost hope. Is that a project that your administration will take on?
Why should we do road for Federal Housing Authority? That is their estate. And they should be able to take care of their estate. What the road we should do are roads that open up the entire city, not where you have an estate and go and build a road for you in your estate. And you have always said that to Federal Housing Estate that land was allocated to them, and they built the estate and sell to residents. Let us open up to areas that will link up the major cities and the satellite town before we begin to talk about doing roads within estates. That becomes private.
Sir, any words to residents in the spirit of Easter?
Just like we always said in the spirit of Easter, that this is the period that Christ rose. Christ was killed for our own, and he died for us. It's a period of forgiveness, a period we must work together. Just like what Mr. President has always preached, Nigerians should be united. Nigerians should work together for the interest of Nigerians. So I use this particular period to wish everybody happy Easter and be assured the promises were made by the grace of God. We are going to keep them. Thank you very much.
Why will we show happy Easter?
That place, I swear. You see what my memory card do here, but I know if you believe it. The thing I hear, you know, on the record. But that's how I get you.
What of that is not coming?
Have and go request though.
I'm done with the press, right?
Where did you get on the top?
Come on. Why they do that when they do the decrease?
Are you crazy?
Come on, Winga, come on.
Yeah, man, I don't think so.
Why they bend like this? Don't they like it?
After fufu, everybody will collect it. Because minister don't talk am. Then give everybody. Go return am. Now fufu they will give everybody. Nothing like say after. If they do am, they say give everybody. No hear wetin minister talk. If they do am, we go return all the money back.
Today, Kilani.
You see this shirt, you go like am. I guess.
Allah, you just dey shoot the shop, put new for ground like say.
You don't know wetin dey show. What I dey get? Make I come show you. No be that thing I dey get. You see water for me do? No be water o. I just na the thing I wan get.
One play monkey post, you say my waka comot. Which kind waka comot?
Say, and you wan copy me again?
Okay, that.
You don see am?
Yes.
Today, Kilani. Today,
Are
Kilani.
you crazy?
Let me remind your
Oh
director.
yeah, sure. The water dey there, but you dey see water here.
That's Mirage. They call it Mirage.
Nothing
The
concern me.
camera work.